and German TVET curricula.
Jatend migao mar Teko Kod Davis Chirchir osingo mar biro medo kwandag kano mo mabuo piny moselosi nyaka 4 kowuok achiel mosebedi kitiyo godo kaka yorno mar bero yore ohand mo pachoka. Okang' makamano lero ni dhi konyo e jiwo tudruok kod tero mo mabuo e pinje maoko kaka Uganda, Tanzania, DRC kod Kigali, gino mabiro konyo e ting'o malo uchumi ma pachoka. Jatelo ne loso e kinde mane olimo kambi mar loso mo KPC e kaunti ma Kisumu mar nono kendo rango kaka jokanyo kod jotije e kambi no osebedo katiyo maonge ng'ukruok moro amora e tich chenro mag chwalo mo e pinje maoko. Limbe makamano bende yuore gi jagoro mongirore migao no Mohamed Liban, jokanyo kod jotelo mamoko e lemo mopogore opogore.
Get to where we are with the ship behind us carries about 4.5 million liters, which is about 135, maybe 135 approximately trucks. On the other side is Mahathi, where we have got a 70,000 liters tank farm, which accommodates the product. And it's a great achievement for our economies in terms of building the intra-trade in our region, to make sure that there is seamless flow of trade within the region. To date, we have done 5 shipments using this facility. I'm told we are building another 2 or 3 ships, 3 more like this, so that we could, currently we are doing once a week. We should almost be doing a daily to service. So there's still a lot of trucking by road, because the facility as is today is not enough. So we are going to be bringing another 2, 3 facilities to be able to service and be able to fill those tanks to service our neighbors. On the other side, to support the optimal operation of this is the road. We had a narrow road which has been contracted by the Uganda government. I think there's a Chinese contractor now opening up the road so that we can also move the trucks quickly